Okay everyone, welcome to the new video of Scratch tutorials. In this video we will see how we can make a new file and how are the basic settings in the Scratch. So let's say this is the file and you want to make a new file. So what you will do is you will go to this file option and maybe you can save as a copy, save now. But right now we are interested in the new file, so I'll just click on the new option and a new project will be created. Then from here you can actually increase the size of the sprite or decrease the size of the sprite. Here first of all I have decreased the size, and if you want to increase the size of the sprite you can increase that. Then you can also use this selection option to rotate or move the sprite or the character in any direction you want. Then afterwards you can also rename the sprite to any name you want to. Just below it there is an option called hide and show sprite. So when I click on the show sprite it will show, and when I click on the hide sprite it will hide. So this is how the basic settings in Scratch works. This will be it from this video. See you in the next one.